And it's a classic bully abuse scenario. I mean, if you think about someone who's in an abusive relationship and their partner does something wrong, but rather than admitting it and apologize, they double down and they ramp up the abuse. That's what the Trump administration is doing against Kilmar. And that's the thing that we all see clearly. And we're not falling for it. We know that those alien smuggling charges didn't contain evidence. We know that they are just doubling down to prove a point because they don't want to just admit that they were wrong. So, I mean, it's not going well for them in the court of public opinion. It just isn't.
And then Kilmar Abrego Garcia's attorney said this yesterday. We're going to ask for an interim order that he not be deported pending his due process rights to contest deportation to any particular country. And as we know, the federal judge did block his deportation temporarily. But how strong do you think his case and his argument on due process is?
Well, I mean, I think that the unfortunate thing is that we have lower federal courts and then we have courts of appeals and we have the Supreme Court and we have a pretty unpredictable judiciary. So I think this is the type of matter that could be appealed, and at some point a deportation to a third country could be allowed. And then we'll have to see what happens. I mean, if he gets deported to Uganda and disappears within their system, that's going to be a pretty big headline, and I don't think people will forget it.